Hey beauties, Waah Gwaan, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today is going to be a very exciting video. I hope you guys do enjoy. Subscribe if you do, like, comment down below, and I want to give a big shout out to the few persons who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so very much, and the returnees, thank you guys so very much, and the persons who have been commenting on my videos, thank you guys so very much. It really does mean a lot to me. As I said, if this is your very first time here, Waah Gwaan, big up yourself. I hope you guys do enjoy this content. I know majority of you guys probably not understand what I'm saying, but I might add in a subtitle so you guys can understand what I'm saying because it's the Jamaican dialect. So yeah, so today's video is a mood. I was not, I was on the borderline with things. So I didn't want to go fully black, neither did I want to do colorful nails today. I wanted something on the galaxy side, so I was battling whether or not if I should have done, the rainbow with the glitters. I wasn't quite sure where my headspace is, but at the end of the day, I did a demo on the nail, on the thumb. If you guys are not, sure on how I come up with my ideas, I tend to test my thumb first before I go in with the nail design, and majority of my nail design comes from my headspace, or some come from inspiration that I see on Instagram or other nail YouTubers. So yes, this nail design came from my headspace. I was in a mood. I felt dark, but at the same time I felt kind of happy, so I mixed the both. So there's nothing to this video besides me adding the black to the cuticle area, pulling that down, adding the colors for the pointer, not the pointer, for the ring and the middle finger. I'll be doing the black and then the glitter faded up. Nothing to it. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I'm not going to talk excessively throughout this video. I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you guys do enjoy this video, give me a subscribe, like this video, comment down below what sign you guys rep, because obviously I'm repping the Cancer sign. Woody wap wap. Oh my goodness, I am lame as hell. So yes, so I hope you guys do enjoy this video. There's not really much to the video. I really did enjoy this set. It came out really pretty, and if you guys do think that it came out gorgeous looking, go ahead and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like this video, comment down below to say yeah, it can go on, or my sign is whatever. So yes, before I go, I'll be using two types of glitters: a fine glitter and also my chunky glitter mix. It's a mix. The chunky glitter is a mix, so it has large particles while at the same time it has small particles. So with this glitter, it gives me a more of a galaxy type of feel, hence why I used it. I felt like this glitter could have gone with any color in the collection, in the acrylic collection, hence why I'm always using it, and always using it very sparingly. So yeah, hope you guys do enjoy this video, because I'll be giving you guys a full video today. I'll be showing you guys the encapsulating stage like now, and also I'll be showing you guys how I file my nails and also buff, draw, and right through the end. I hope you guys do enjoy. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, but I'm not appreciating if you don't want to subscribe, but whenever you feel like to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe, and also like this video and comment down below what sign you rep. And yeah, and that's about it, and I hope you guys enjoy once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.